Good morning, Taxprolink family. Today I want to share with you how to fix or how to look up rejection code as returns are getting accepted or receiving acknowledgments. You will have some returns that might come back as rejected. So how to fix those? When you come to dashboard in modern view, you'll see that you have a return that is rejected. So we will see if you click on here, that we have a return that is rejected here. We're going to go to this return and see what the code is, and then take action that we need to be able to resubmit this return. We are in let's look at direct mode really quick. In direct mode, you'll open the return, you'll simply click on reject it, and it will tell you what the problem is. So for this return, you have primary SSN and name control. That is an issue. So that means the name does not match the social security number on the social security card. So simply you need to verify that information and resubmit the return. Now let's show you how to check this in interview mode. And now we'll go to interview mode. You'll go to your preferences tab, hit the preferences tab, and then it will give you the rejected information. Again, tells us the same thing. Primary SSN does not match the primary name control. You can print this rejection and simply fix the problem. Once you have fixed the problem, then you're able to go to review, go through the process of finishing the return, and then retransmit the return to the IRS to get accepted. That is how you fix a rejection in Taxprolink. Guys, have a good tax season. Let's knock out the competition with Taxprolink.